Hi everyone. In this session, we are going to discuss about linear equations in one variable, exercise 2.2, question number 13. The question is, there are 180 multiple choice questions in a test. A candidate gets 4 marks for every correct answer, and for every unattempted or wrongly answered questions, 1 mark is deducted from the total score of correct answers. If a candidate scored 450 marks in a test, how many questions did he answer correctly? Okay, the question is big, so lengthy. We have to understand properly in that. First, the total number of questions in a test is 180. Total questions in a test. How many questions? 180 multiple choice questions. 180 questions. Okay. A candidate gets 4 marks for every correct answer. We don't know the correct attempted questions. For that, let us assume the correct attempted questions is equal to x. Is equal to, we don't know the how many correct answers, therefore the correctly attempted questions is equal to x. Okay, and unattempted questions. Unattempted questions is equal to, we have to deduct it from 180 minus correctly answered questions, then we can get the unattempted questions. Therefore, 180 minus x. Okay, we have to subtract the correct answered questions from total number of questions. We can get the unattempted questions. And the total marks for correct attempted questions . Okay, the total marks for correct attempted questions is 4 marks. Okay, candidate gets 4 marks for every correct answer. For every correct answer, the candidate gets 4 marks. Okay, therefore we have to multiply 4 into x. By that we can get the total marks for the correctly attempted questions. And next, total marks for unattempted or wrongly answered questions. Okay, once we have to read the question, wrongly answered questions, 1 mark is deducted from the total score of correct answers. Means total score of correct answer, 1 mark is deducted. 1. Okay, deducted means we have to minus 1 into, how many unattempted questions are? 180 minus x, this one. Okay, minus 1 into unattempted questions. But for this we get the total marks for unattempted or wrongly answered questions. Minus 1 mark is deducted. Minus 1 into unattempted questions are 180 minus x. We have to simplify it. Okay, 180 minus 1 into 180 minus 180, minus of minus x, it will become plus x minus 180. X minus 180. Therefore, the total marks is equal to sum of attempted questions plus unattempted or wrongly answered questions. Okay, we know the total marks is equal to 450 is equal to sum of correctly attempted questions is equal to 4x plus unattempted means x minus 180. Let us simplify it. 450 is equal to 4x plus x is equal to 5x minus 180. Transpose this 180 to left hand side. Therefore 450 plus 180 is equal to 5x. 450 plus 180 is equal to 630 is equal to 5x. X is equal to 630 divided by 5. X is equal to 126. Okay, therefore the correctly answered questions is equal to 126. Okay, thank you. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.